Okay guys, today we're gonna present our TPCAS analysis. So first I'ma introduce myself. So my name is Muhammad Naufal Mahbub Almaki and my student number is 097.
My name is Ifad Budi Pratama and my student number is 117.
My name is Muhammad Rifki Hidayat. My student number is 094.
Hello, my name is Noval Tara Sabrian Utama with student number 116. So today I'm gonna explain about the TPCAS analysis from poem called When You Are Old. Before reading the poem, the title When You Are Old seems about reflection on aging, perhaps contemplating life when one is no longer young. And the second one is paraphrase. I'm gonna read the paraphrase. When you are older, your hair gray and feeling tired, and as you sit by the fire, dozing off, pick up this book, read it slowly, and think back to the gentle expression that your eyes once had, and how they were filled with deep emotions. So many people loved you during your happiest, most graceful moments. They loved your physical beauty, whether their love was sincere or not. But there was one man who loved the restless, searching part of you, and cherished the sadness that appeared as you aged. As you lean closer to the warm fireplace, whisper to yourself, with some sadness, how love disappeared, how it wandered up in the mountains above, and hid itself far away among the stars. And that's it, the paraphrase. The next one is form from connotation. There is 4 points from this form connotation. The first one is rhyme, the second one is stanza, the third one is meter, the fourth one is alliteration. So the first one, rhyme. There are ABBA, CDDC, EFFE, and the stanza is quatrain. The third one is meter. The meter is iambic pentameters. And the sample is when you are old and gray and full of sleep. When unstressed, you stressed, are unstressed, old stressed, and unstressed, gray stressed, and unstressed, full stressed, of unstressed, sleep stressed. And last one is alliteration. There is an alliteration in the phrase and hid his face amid a crowd of stars, present in the last line of the last stanza. This is for me. Thank you very much.
Okay, for the next, I'm gonna tell you guys about symbolism, allusion, and point of view. So first is symbolism. Symbolism is using symbols to signify ideas and qualities, giving them symbolic meanings different from literal meanings. Here, for the example, gray and weak and full of sleep symbolizes an elderly woman. Fire is the symbol of fiery love she once rejected, and mountain overhead and crowd of stars stand for things she knows exist, but she can't reach them. For the next is allusion. Yeats' poem references to Pierre de Ronsard, When You Are Very Old, by reinterpreting its themes of future regret and the shortness of youth, with both speakers and predicting their eventual literary success, and their addresses that remorse for not returning their love. And for the last one is point of view. The speaker addresses the subject of the poem in second person. Like for the example is, when you are old, take down this book, dream of the soft look. This direct form of address make the poem feel personal, as though the speaker is giving advice of reflecting on the future of specific loved one. The use of second person POV allows the reader to place themselves in the position of the addressed figure, experiencing the emotion of aging, reflection, and lost love more clearly. Thank you.
So next, this poem contains figurative language. The first one is metaphor. In the second stanza and first line, moment of glad grace is a metaphor for youth and the flourishing period of one's life. And in the second stanza and third line, the pilgrim souls means soul which is holy and immortal, unlike the physical charm which is short-lived. So the next one is personification. It is to give human characteristic to inanimate object. For example, in the last stanza, second line, murmur a little sadly how love fled, as if love is human and it can move. And then this poem also contains imagery. Imagery is used to make reader perceive things with their five senses. The speaker use visual imagery such as nodding by the fire and take down this book. Act of nodding by the fire create a visual scene of someone relaxed by warmth of the fire. And the second one is bending down beside the glowing bars. It refers to the sight of glowing bars, which give a visual representation of light. And the last one is perched upon mountains overhead. It depicts the image of someone facing atop mountains, a strong visual scene of nature. And the second imagery is auditory imagery. For example, murmur a little sadly how love fled. The word murmur creates an imagery sound. And then for diction, the first one is poetic diction. The rhyme of this poem follows an ABBA pattern, known as enclosed rhyme. Each quatrain or four-line stanza has this rhyme scheme, when the first line and fourth line rhyme, and the second line and third line rhyme. And then figurative diction, this poem only has personification and metaphor. For formal writing style, it use formal, almost classical language to the poem to give a timeless and universal quality. Phrase like full of sleep, nodding by the fire, and the pilgrim soul give a sense of dignity and grace. The simplicity of the language makes the emotion more relatable. Thank you.
Now I'm gonna explain attitude, shift, title, and theme. First one is attitudes. The speaker's attitude in the poem "When You Are Old" by W.B. Yeats is reflective and tender, with a tone that is both melancholic and nostalgic. The speaker looks ahead to a future when the woman he addressed is old, urging her to reflect on the love she once received and lost. We go to shift. First one is shift in tone. The tone of the poem shifts from nostalgia and gentle reflection to a more sorrowful, melancholic tone. The first stanza reflects on a time of youth and beauty, while the second stanza acknowledges the deeper, more soulful love of the speaker. The final stanza transitions into sadness as it reflects on the disappearance or loss of love, symbolized by the image of love fleeing into the mountains and stars. The next one is shift in time. There is a shift from the present to the future. The poem begins by imagining the woman in her old age, looking back on her life. It then reflects on the past, mentioning how many people admire her beauty and grace when she was younger. And finally, shift back to the future as the speaker suggests how she will reflect on the love that is now lost. We move on to the next topic is the title. After giving it some more thought, the title "When You Are Old" refers not just to growing older but also to a time in the future when one will reflect on past loves and feel regret. The speaker predicts a moment when the subject will want to look back. Last topic is themes. When You Are Old is about love and beauty and aging. That's all for me.